Hey, we're in Buenos Aires, and this is the Caminito street area, although it's several streets. And a minute ago there was a tango show going on here. But we're going to take a quick walk through here. There are lots of side areas for shopping, if that's your thing. See, you can go up in here and shop. I guess the thing about it is the bright colors and people up there. There's another place. Lots of pigeons. Look at the tile floor here. See that? Sidewalk cafe. Something about 1881, the Cultural Center for Artists in 1881, I'm guessing. See, look at this floor. Let's walk on it. Look at this mural. I think I have to go out the same way I came in, so I will. It smells like leather in here. There's another shopping center. There's a guy doing some art. Look at this red area here. So red. It's just a restaurant, of course. I think the Pope is here today. Yes, he is. Put your hand on my shoulder. You got the World Cup, in case you're interested in the World Cup. Or maybe that's not the World Cup. That's the World Cup. Okay. Anyway. This place is pretty popular. There's another little place you can go up, do some shopping. Let's walk in. Now this smells like A1 steak sauce. I don't know why. I guess it's just this. Oh, it must go around to the other side. Right? Stuck with that one over there. This goes around to the other place. She sounds upset. A lot of people taking pictures of whatever's here. What is here? Here. You're not going to take it. Oh, she is. A lot of people taking pictures of stuff. A lot of people taking pictures of stuff. And some people are wanting money for you to take their picture. Now, I don't know what this is. It's a bunch of dogs. Shelter for dogs. Help us keep them. See, I believe Caminito is actually up there, but maybe that's Caminito down there that we just walked on. We're going to walk up here and see this wild building here. Lots of people taking lots of pictures of lots of people. And a lot of artwork. Some guy taking notes. See these buildings? Restaurant up there, maybe? Oh, be careful where you look. Some of this artwork is, well, nude. This is where a bus park. And I believe this is actually Caminito Street. Caminita Street. So, from Caminito, Caminito Street. So I guess this is Caminito Street. Weird. This is Gareth and Janet saying,
Port Matthews out.
we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Adios.